This is a list of your ancestors that need tasks completed. The blue icons represent record hints. A record is a historical document such as a marriage or death certificate or census record. I'll tap on the blue icon next to the name May Ilefa Marsh. Here are some records FamilySearch believes this ancestor is in. Reviewing these records and attaching them to your ancestors helps prove their life events and can lead to discovering more ancestors and adding them to your tree. Expanding this item shows information from the 1910 census. You will notice this is her married name, May E. Reed. Now I will tap Compare. Information in the left column is from the census record, and information in the right column is from the tree. I'm comparing names, dates, and relationships to determine if this census record should be attached to May. You will see there are 2 children listed in the census that need to be added to the tree. The information from the record is showing this is a good match, so I will push information from the record into the tree. After I type the reason I'm attaching, I will tap Attach. I will then compare and attach the census to the rest of the family and add the missing children.